Okay, we got that speaker. Yeah, roll. Just do like a double. We want to have a little cushion. Maybe like fold it in half. Yeah, and then in half again, just in case. So it's needed for his knees, really. And then we need 2 volunteers that'll get ready to hold him if he does fall. Yeah, fold it in half. Okay, we all, oh shit, I didn't even do one. Hold on. I was trying to get everybody geared up. Okay, so we're going live. We're going to wait for a couple people to come in. We're going to use the Taser Pulse stun gun. Wesley here has volunteered. And hold on, let's get some more people in there. All right, going live. We'll get some more people. Okay, so the way it's going to work is, hold on.
Warehouse to the showroom floor, please. Warehouse to the showroom floor.
Yeah, you just keep shooting. Okay.
This is awesome.
Keep shooting. Right. No, you don't come over here with your little wimpy butt. Yeah, come on over. No, we got your camera. You got to video this.
Yeah, no, it just died.
Okay, so let's see. We get people in here. Okay, so listen. We're using the Taser Pulse stun gun. My personal preference. And we have Wesley from the warehouse. Okay. And in case he falls and hits knees. Wesley is going to let us stun gun him, but I made it even better and said, if he's able to hold that speaker the whole time without dropping it, he'll get an extra $50.
All right.
Okay, so he's going to stand there. We'll do this safe. We're going to have a person on each side just in case he does fall. And then we use some bubble wrap just in case he goes to the knees so it doesn't hurt as bad. Okay, so let's get it. Yep. We're going to do a stun gun on Wesley. Stun gun, Wesley. Stun gun, Wesley. Okay, we get a couple more people in here. Share this out. How often you get to see someone stun gunned live? I know it's Friday, the worst time to do it. But let's get a couple more people in here. Okay, so now we got to get this set up. Let's move this a little bit more forward. Okay, Wesley, you can stand right there. Feet up against the corner. We need another helper on the side. Now, oh, there you go. Okay, your guy's job is to just kind of have your hands ready by his arms. You're not going to feel the stun. It doesn't work that way. But if he does go to fall, you want to grab him so you can help him slowly fall down. Now, Wesley, you need to hold that woofer right there.
Don't drop it.
Okay, so let me explain to everybody. We're going to stun gun Wesley over there from the warehouse, and to make it better, if he can hold that woofer without dropping it or letting it in the ground the whole time, he gets an extra $50. We are safe here. We're using shipping bubbles to break his fall just in case, and we have Mike and Derek here for assistance just in case he does fall to the ground. Now, please don't do this at home. Just do it here at Big Jeff Audio. And if you get a job here, you might be able to get it done to you too. Okay. So, you guys get ready? Okay, yeah, just count if you fall. Ready? On the count of 3, right? We got to say, Taser, Taser, Taser. Drop the speaker. It almost got. Okay. Woo. Well, we got that speaker. Woo. I hope you got to see a lot of that.
Oh my God!
Wesley did tell us that he would be able to hold this with no problem, and it wouldn't hurt.
Mama ain't raised no bitch.
It's worth nothing.
She raised somebody with butterfingers, but she ain't raised a bitch.
So, okay, so now we need to safely take the prongs out. So, here, if you can hold the camera on me. It's going to be a slight pinch, sir.
Yep.
Oh, yeah, that's a big pinch. Okay, that's not a good pinch.
Yeah, man. You're a beast.
Okay. Why don't we have him sit down? Hold on, relax. Okay.
Here, we got a stool.
Somebody grab a stool. Let him sit down first. Okay. Yeah, that was a lot stronger than you thought it was. Take a seat. Let you relax a little bit. Somebody get the fan. Please, let's get a fan on him.
Fan.
Okay, so he didn't hold the speaker, so he doesn't get that $50. But he did make $50 for getting stun gunned today live at Big Jeff. I would just like to know, What did it feel like?
You know, it burned a bit. Honestly, that's about the best way I can describe it. It just burned. Yeah.
But you can't move, can you?
No.
You're impaired, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so
You're wild.
I don't know if you
Good, bro. Nice.
enjoyed that. Now I got to figure out how to get these out of his back. Maybe we should get a little bit of We have that. Yeah, I'd like to clean it too. I don't want to get infected. Yeah, let's get the first aid kit. Okay, well, we're gonna I'm sorry. We're gonna cut this off now. Ben over here took full video. It will be happening. Definitely share this out. Another crazy day at Big Jeff Audio. Hurt a little bit. There you go.
Man. Man.
We're gonna get him a new shirt too, since he's got those cheap $30 ones. Don't do that.
Justin.
All right, Big Jeff, Big Wesley took it like a champ. He did drop the American based stuff, but that's what we think about him anyway.